So guys, today I remembered a fun trick and I thought why not show it to you guys. So I decided to make this video. Any person with Android phone of version 5 and 6 can play this game, and this game is actually Flappy Birds just in an Android style. So guys, first I will show you how it's done in Android 5, that is Lollipop, in my honor. So go to your settings, scroll right till the bottom, then click about phone. There you'll see Android version. Click that several times and you will see a circle. Now when you click in the center of that circle, you will see the Lollipop version. Now when you click that, it will start to change colors. So rapid tap it and hold it. Now you'll see the game has started. Now when you tap on the screen, the game will automatically begin. So here we go. And you can see the game is exactly like Flappy Birds, just the bird is the Android and the pipes are the lollipops. So now I'll show you how it's done in Android 6, that is Marshmallow, in my Nexus. So again, go to your settings and scroll right till the bottom and click about phone. There again click the Android version several times and in this one you will see the Marshmallow icon. Now when you click that, it will change into the animated icon and again rapid tap that and hold. And you will see the game. So the game is the same, but the only changes are that in this one the graphics are much better and the scoreboard, that is that red box, has come from the left to the center. Also, one thing I noticed is wherever I click on the screen, a red circle appears around it and there's a line which connects the red circle to the Android. So I'll show you right now. I'll pause it. So do you see that red circle right there and that line which connects it with the Android? So guys, this game is very addictive because I have been playing this for almost 3 days, although I could not even surpass 3.